Morning, 47. The Ark Society's annual gathering is several weeks away, which should give us ample time to prepare. Meanwhile, Mr. Gray has an off-the-books request. Perhaps you should explain.
Noel Crest. One of my best fixes. Before Romania, I left him in charge of the militia. Told him in no uncertain terms to cease all attacks on Providence, stand by and await further orders. Safe to say he did not. Crest and his men have gone rogue, reinventing themselves as a glorified gang of international thieves. They specialize in ruthless spectacle heists with zero regard to collateral damage.
I've seen the man's file. What did you expect would happen?
It's not like I had much choice, seeing as all my best lieutenants were killed by you two.
Fair point.
Nevertheless, Crest is a rabid dog. He is my responsibility, my mistake. I would like your help correcting it.
Current whereabouts?
Ambrose Island, an isolated harbor north from the Strait of Malacca. Coincidentally, one of Wazir Kale's old ports of call. According to my intel, Crest and his men have joined forces with a local pirate syndicate to raid a passing tanker. His goal, a control unit for an Ether Corp satellite being covertly shipped abroad. The satellite is a node in the company's most secure cloud storage network, so they would pay a fortune to preserve its integrity.
What is Crest's endgame?
Extortion, if I had to guess. But we don't have the luxury of a full investigation. For us to move against the constant, we need Providence to think the threat is over and lower their guard. Another militia attack on Ether would raise alarms.
I agree. 47. You'll need to eliminate Crest and destroy that control unit, or lock the militia out. The satellite cannot fall into their hands. We'll need a cover story for ICA. Luckily, Akka, the rapacious leader of the syndicate, already has an active ICA contract on her head. Take her out, and we'll even get our expenses paid.
Well, I never had you pegged as a rebel.
I'm warming to it.
Thank you, both. 47, seeing as I know Crest, I'll provide field support. Meet you out east. Welcome to the Andaman Sea, 47. We've arrived just in time. It seems Crest didn't disclose the true object of the heist to his partners, so Akka has seized one of the satellite control unit's keycards as collateral until they can renegotiate. The militia have set up camp near the remains of a colonial outpost. Both Crest and the control unit should be nearby. You'll need to destroy the unit itself, or render it inoperable by retrieving both keycards. Knowing Crest, he'll have given his to someone he trusts, but Akka is less inclined to delegate. She should be in the pirate base when she's not out among the locals. I provided you with a GPS tracker. Activate it when you're done, and I'll initiate extraction. The sooner we finish up here, the better.
Pacing around like a tiger in a cage earlier. It makes me nervous.
Ever since they got back from the raid, the mood's been different. They're not being as chummy with the toy soldiers anymore. Used to be she was with Farah every night getting drinks with their boss, wasn't she?
Something must have happened. You know, Akka, if she thinks someone's taking what's hers, she'll just as soon cut their hands off and offer it back.
I expected better from her.
There. That's Noel Crest. Formerly one of my most reliable assets.
What does it matter? She could have just called you.
She doesn't. I always get food choices from the other cars.
Well, her shift doesn't start until 8. Sorry.
Hi, sir.
Hey, nice night.
Never think that. I found some important secrets in the boat. Good ones, too. White tiger. I used to get my dad a pack every year on this. I would not have thought those militia guys would be smoking dope like that.
That's Crest taken care of.
I need help!
About how repairs are progressing. The way my tools is that bad? It looked like mostly surface damage. Yeah. Connected. Go wrong.
Please! I need some help! We need some help over here!
What's going on here? What happened? Go meet the Take him down! Ah! Damn it!
You have to do something!
The fucker's gone.
Help me, all right?
He's not here anymore. Help over here. Hey, I think something bad is going on.
What?
You better do something. It's something awful wrong. Help! I just found a pile of dead bodies. Oh God, it was disgusting. Hey, look into it, I guess. What was it? Son of a bitch! God, what the hell? What the? I need some more muscle here, man. Holy shit! Hey,
Leave the area!
I need some more
Leave
guys
the
here,
area!
man.
Go, go!
It's me. You there? Listen up, man. We're dealing with a serious killer here.
Time to start talking about a family.
That I feel so stuck. I think I was better suited for the Mokken way.
Hey, check that out. Okay.
friend of yours, 47?
Will he get mad if you keep him waiting too long?
Maybe.
Won't that make negotiating harder?
Not necessarily. He knows he undersold the value of that control. He knows we got him, and he knows us. If he gets mad about a little delay, it will show me just how desperate he is. That's good information to have.
It seems that Crest is waiting for Akka to call a meeting. Getting them both in one place would certainly save them. Akka must be using the light to signal for Crest when she wants a meeting. It shouldn't be too difficult to exploit that. Akka's out of the way. Good work. Now you just have to deal with the satellite control unit.
Damn it! Help me! Command!
Hey, killer!
Whoa! Are you running? Get the doctor! Someone's been hurt!
Sometimes I just want to go again. It's nothing special. I don't know how our parents could give that up.
One of them told me to bring him some water. I was so surprised I didn't know what to do. Oh my God! Man, I got nothing. Standing by. Yeah, Command, there's some kind of commotion down here. Have a look around.
Humidity's murder tonight.
Look, that's the control unit there. You'll need to either destroy it or deny it.
Not over there, will you? I'm right behind you.
Well done. With the control unit in pieces, the satellite's no longer our problem. And that's that. The rest will pick up the pieces. It's time to go, 47. I'll see you soon. I'll let Diana and Olivia know the statements.